Hey Kirk, my name is Lee Terbianic. I spoke with you earlier regarding this free custom video. Then I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds. And the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Lee. Please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of our time. First thing I want to go over is content. Now, when I say content, that is anything that is on your homepage that is in writing. And what a lot of main experts don't even know is all these pictures on your homepage and what they're saved as is considered content too. Now, Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage. So as we scroll down, you guys can see you have some content here. Maybe 300 to 400 words on your homepage, so you're lacking in the content department. And later I'm going to get into why content is really important when it comes to your keywords. So you guys got to think that Google is just a bot, and all it does is send these little crawlers to read what is on your website. It can't see the way it's constructed. All it can do is read. So if you don't have enough information about what you are with those important keywords listed throughout your content, it can't really rank you for highly due to it. So if we go to Insurance Agency, McKinney, Texas, I typed in, it's a general search as somebody looking for an insurance agency in McKinney. You see that you guys are not on this first page. You are actually I think on the 6th page, but Morceri Bynum Insurance is in first place. So I wanted to see what kind of content they have. So as we go down, they have some content here, content in here, content, a couple reviews, but not much. So now we know that if we were to get the 1,500 words of keyword-rich, optimized content for your homepage, you'd easily beat them in that aspect. So that's just one thing that is important in Google's eyes. Now, content is king in Google's eyes. Like I said, all it can do is read. Excuse me. So now let's go back to this general search. Now, Insurance Agency, McKinney, Texas. So this section right here is called the GMB section, or Google My Business section. And as you can see, you guys are not in the top 3, which is hurting your website impressions greatly. You want to get up in this top 3. And how you do that is by having citations. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories all across the web, in like the Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. So I have a tool I use, it's called Whitespark CA. It's a local citation finder that I pay for monthly, and this will tell me how many citations that number 1 guy has. So I put in Insurance Services Agency, 600 North McDonald. I plugged in his information, and it's showing me that he has 43 citations. Now I plugged in your guys' Saxon Sheila, which I suggest getting this to the actual name of your company because that'll help with ranking as well. You want everything to be linking to your website the same, from your GMB listing down to your directory listings. Everything has to be exactly the same. So I suggest getting that changed to your actual name, the Saxon Agency And let's go back to that. So as we said, they had 43 citations. Now you guys only have 25. So the good part about this tool is we can go into their citation sources, which is where they're getting them from, and see all their sources. So here's one, Facebook. Now this domain authority shows how strong they are. So we want to get strong domain authorities. Now 100's the highest you can get, and we know Facebook's trusted. It's a well-known, trusted site, so we know the authority is going to be high. Now as we go down to, let's say, business yab, it's unknown, right? So 29. So we want to go after some of these stronger high domain authority citation sources and get them for your company. So Bing, Yelp, Foursquare, Informer, Yellow Pages, Manta, these are all submittable. And I suggest adding 100 to 200 to beat these guys out. Insurance agencies, get up in this top 3, and you're gonna see a big change in people coming to your guys' website, calling. I know this is where I go when I'm looking for anyone to do any service for me. It's quick, easy. You can view their website right from here, and usually there's a call button. You could just click call. So that's a citation. Now this bottom section is the organic section, and this is probably the most important, and this is where you want to be, and what ranks you here is backlinks. So this insurance agent, Missouri Bynum Insurance, is in first place. So I have another tool I use. It's called Ahrefs, and I plugged in insuranceagent.com's information. Now this is going to show me a basic overview of their stats. So what ranks you here is a backlink. Now a backlink is when one website links back to your website via hypertext, and you want relevant sites to be linking back to you because Google counts them as votes. So you would want other insurance agencies and any type of insurance agency to be linking back to you, anything relevant, because they, just like the citations, they have authority as well. You don't want Pizza Hut giving you guys a backlink because it's unrelative to what you guys are offering. So that's that's a big thing. You could have you could have hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not relevant to you, they won't transfer any power. So this Insurance Agents has 273 websites linking back to it. Now if we look at you guys, the Saxon Agency, you guys only have 11. So that's another big reason. And it might seem like they have a crap ton more, but they don't. And I'm going to show you that, because we could go right into all their referring domains, and here they all are laid out to be listed. All we do is, we go in and we submit. It might just be as easy as going in and creating a profile and linking back to your website. But some of these do cost money too. Some of them, it may be a monthly fee to get the backlink. It could be $5, could be $100, $200 for a one-time fee to get the backlink to link back to you. But in the end, it's going to improve your ranking, and I'm going to show you what that'll do. So now we know that guy's in first place. Look at the traffic he's getting to his website. 251 people by being in first place. So that's 250 clients he could be getting each and every month. This is a monthly organic traffic search. Now if you look at yours, you're only getting 3. So there's a big difference there. And like I said, you guys have a lot of backlinks, but they look very spammy. And what's telling me that is this DR, because this is the backlink profile compared to the others. So you guys have a lot more backlinks. Look at, they only have 1,000 backlinks coming from 273 websites, but you have 7,000 coming from 11. So that's telling me that someone did spammy backlinks and it's hurting you more than helping you. But that's okay, like I said. So what we would do is go in and get all these backlinks from them and apply for them for your website, and then once you've beaten them, you go and add more, which I have access to, and then you take over this #1 spot. So I'd love to speak with you guys more on this and help you guys out, and I'm going to show you some keywords real quick. Let's go to Insurance Agency's keywords, and this is going to show you a rough draft basically of how much volume per each keyword that you're missing out on. So Auto Insurance Agents McKinney has a 60 volume a month, and he's in first place for that keyword, and he's getting 22 traffic. We know we could beat him, so you could be getting that traffic, but that's 60 clients you could be getting each and every month. That's 60 people typing Auto Insurance Agents in McKinney in the Google search bar every month. So let's go down and see some more. Insurance Agency McKinney, Texas, 50 searches a month. He's in second position. He's getting 15 traffic from that. Auto Insurance McKinney, Texas, 40 searches. Insurance McKinney, Texas, 30 searches. Car Insurance Agents McKinney, 60. Home Insurance Plano, Texas, 60. Insurance Agents in McKinney, Texas, 50. So that's why it's important to have that 1,500 words so you could fit these keywords throughout it. So when someone types, Car Insurance Agents McKinney, Texas, Google recognizes this keyword in your content on your homepage. So, and if you had the right backlinks to get up above him, you would show up in first place getting that business. So we got to get you there. Like I said, you guys are, I think, on the 6th or 7th page at the moment. Let's see, yeah, 6th page, page 6, and no one ever goes there when they're looking for anything. They know that they want to go with who's ranking the highest. So, like I said, we know we could beat out that insurance company. They're barely there by a thread, and it would be very easy. So let's touch base on what we spoke about. The first thing we talked about was content. Your homepage needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content with those keywords that we went over placed throughout. The second thing we talked about was citations, which is what ranks you in, let's go back to page 1, which is what ranks you in that map pack. So I suggest getting 100 to 200. We get all the important ones for your business throughout here. Change the name to your correct name. And then we get up in this top 3 map pack, which is where 30% of traffic usually goes when they're looking for any type of insurance agency, home insurance, car insurance. I've seen horse insurance on their page too. So the third thing we talked about was link juice. And you guys need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, just give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Kirk, and I hope you have a great day. And thanks for watching, and hopefully your computer didn't blow up by clicking the link. Talk to you soon.